What if every lead that came into your gym was contacted instantly, nurtured automatically, and only handed to your sales team when they actually needed a human touch? Right now, most gyms operate in the same way. Leads come in from ads, from social media, from your website, and then it's a race. Can your team call them back quickly enough? Can they remember to follow up a second time, maybe a third time? After a couple of weeks of back and forth, what happens is that most leads book a trial but don't show up. Some of them show up but don't sign up. And most just go cold. It's not that your team isn't trying, it's that the system is working against them. GymGlitch was built to fix this, not with more effort, with a better system. Let me show you how this works. The moment a lead comes in, whether that's from your Facebook ads, Google search, or your website, GymGlitch responds instantly. Not in an hour, not the next morning, instantly. They get sent a message within seconds. Email, SMS, WhatsApp, wherever they're most likely to see it. And this isn't just a one-way blast. Our AI can hold actual conversations with your leads, answering questions, handling objections, and guiding them to book 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And look, if they don't book right away, they get entered into a lead nurture sequence, which is a series of touchpoints designed to keep building interest and guiding them towards one single task: booking an appointment at your gym. Every lead gets a consistent follow-up without your team lifting a finger. Now, here's where most gyms get it wrong. They treat every lead the same, call everyone, chase everyone. But the truth is, there are two types of leads. Some will respond to the automation. They'll book an appointment, they'll show up, and they'll sign up. The system handles them. But others, they won't respond to our automation. They're interested, but they need that human touch, a real conversation. And GymGlitch knows the difference. If someone isn't responding to the automation, they get flagged up for your sales team to follow up with. So your sales team isn't wasting their time calling up leads that would have converted anyway. They're focused on the ones that actually really need them. It's not always about working harder. It's about knowing where to put your effort. Once a lead books an appointment, GymGlitch doesn't just stop and hope they show up. They get sent automated reminders the morning of, the day before as well. Everything designed to reduce the chances of a no-show and keep that appointment front of mind. But look, the reality is not everyone's going to show up, and not everyone who shows up signs up on the day. GymGlitch handles both. If someone doesn't show up, they get sent to a rebooking sequence. Your team doesn't have to chase them up, it just happens automatically. And if they show up, they have a great time, but they don't sign up there and then, no worries, they get put into a different sequence. One designed to nurture them while they're making their decision until they're ready to come and sign up. So you see, no leads fall through the cracks. Every single lead, no matter where they are in their journey, keeps moving forward. Now here's what makes GymGlitch different. Most gyms run their members through a CRM or a membership management platform. This is where you get all your joiners, leavers, payments, all of those things are done there. But the problem is, these systems are fairly old and they're not designed to integrate with anything else. But GymGlitch has built a way around this. Every day, we sync directly with your CRM system. We get your joiners, your leavers. This means that if a lead signs up to your gym, they stop receiving any sales messages from GymGlitch automatically. Instead, they're onboarded to a welcome journey, a new nurture sequence, as a member, not as a prospect. This is something that sets GymGlitch apart because we integrate with the CRM you're already using, even the ones that weren't built to integrate with anything else. Let me ask you a question. How much money are you spending showing ads to people who are already members of your gym? Most gym owners have no clue, but the reality is it's happening. You see, because Facebook and Google don't know who signed up to your gym, so they keep showing ads to your current members, and you keep paying for it. GymGlitch fixes this. Because we sync with your CRM every day, we know exactly who's a joiner, who's a leaver, who's a current member. And what we do is we exclude all your current members from seeing any of your ads, so you're not wasting any of that money. Not only that, but we can retarget your ex-members and all your cold leads with win-back campaigns and with retargeting ads. So if someone signs up today, tomorrow, they stop seeing any ads for your gym. And if someone leaves the gym today, tomorrow, they'll start seeing win-back campaigns to get them to join again. This is really powerful and really sets us apart. It means that your ads become more efficient, your cost per sign-up goes down, and you're actually spending your money where it matters most, getting traffic from new leads and from people who aren't members of your gym. This is what makes GymGlitch different. It's not just a software that you have to figure out for yourself. It's not just ads that someone else runs and you hope for the best. It's a full, complete system. We're talking ads management, lead generation, sales automation, CRM sync, all of it, all connected, all managed, all under one roof, full accountability. And listen, I'm not just a software guy who decided to sell to gyms. I've had a gym of my own for the last 5 years. I've sat where you're sat. I've been through the same problems and challenges. And I honestly just built something that I couldn't find anywhere else. If you're ready to stop seeing leads fall through the cracks and actually build something that works for your gym, let's book a demo today.